Hello everyone, I'm still in Jamaica. I'm going to show you a few beautiful homes in Jamaica, in Manchester, Jamaica. And this is an apartment building. This is how the apartment building look here. Yeah, this is how the apartment building look here. This is a 3-story apartment building. And these are how the homes are beautiful here in Manchester. And this is another beautiful home here. I'm just taking an afternoon stroll. Hope everyone is doing okay and having a fun time. I'm having a fun time here in Jamaica. These homes are pretty, man. Boy, I tell you. And they build up the place. No more. To catch bird over here and shoot bird over here. Now look at the beautiful homes. I'm telling you, they are building up every day. They're building up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful home. This is a beautiful, beautiful home, people. Out there, go all the way back here. That's the gate there. Beautiful home. And over there, so look like you have a gazebo. At the back, swimming pool. Everything is there. Beautiful home. Jamaica have some beautiful, beautiful home. Sometimes they just show the poor part, but these are the rich parts of Jamaica. Yeah, sometimes look on TV, they just show the poor part, but these are rich part in Jamaica. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not missing any of the homes. Beautiful, beautiful Jamaican homes. Built with brick. No, built with black. Yeah, built with black. No hurricane can touch them, and not only that, they have the ceiling concrete too. Yeah. Before hurricane used to blow off the zinc off the roof, but now concrete ceiling. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Somebody soon say, why are you visiting my home? Why are you videoing my home? No more, that's one big home. Look at all this one here. And the balcony where they have on them. Oh my God. These homes are beautiful homes. Wow. Man, beautiful. Now it get a little dark here. I don't know why, but it just get. It's getting dark now, people. Getting dark. Can't see it. It'll get dark now.